So my job is sort of split up into both day-to-day things, handling a lot of the day-to-day operations on site. We run a lot of sort of technical support for the processes. So distillations are going wrong, a product's failing, a lot of dropout where there shouldn't be. That's kind of our problem to look into. That's maybe half of it is that sort of day-to-day production support stuff. The other half is sort of longer term projects, and I suppose I'm moving more towards that as I've sort of grown into the role. I think you sort of have to develop a bit of a working base first, and then from there you can kind of launch off into other projects, get a better idea of what's going on the ground, as it were. Larger term projects could be something like looking at reformulations, process changes, new equipment, waste recovery, that sort of stuff. There's a lot of options there that you can look into. So I would say that's partly what excites me more, but I do enjoy also having that kind of, for the day-to-day stuff, you do get to see, okay, I made a product be the way it's supposed to be, and now it's going to go into, something I can go to the supermarket and get, which is always a nice feeling. But then also you get the satisfaction of longer term projects as well.